Welcome everybody to another episode of Renegadesgarage. As you can tell, I'm in my new Runaway Camper. This video is actually being recorded before I do the official video of the Runaway, but this will come after that video. So some of this stuff is not going to quite line up correctly. I want to get a couple of main things done before I did the main video, because I had pulled the mattress out of it. It currently has no lights or anything, so this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to wire in some lights and how I'm planning on doing it. So how I'm going to go about doing the wiring on this, I got to set a couple sets of rock lights. I'm going to wire this in, or mount it, and wire it in. Run the wire along the bottom of this channel right here, up to the front and over. Then I think, I got two options. I bought one of those aux beam auxiliary light panels with this, was relayed and fused and everything, but it looks to be a bit of a pain to go ahead and wire, or to mount up the way I was thinking about mounting it. So what my backup option is, I bought one of those switch panels. I'm gonna make a little plywood cutout, goes right here, that's gonna mount to, and I have my switches right here. Because this hole right here is where my wiring and coax and everything else is going through for the front. So I'm planning on keeping this in my wiring inside wiring box. So I'll keep my switches right there. Not sure yet. I'm about wire. I have my lights. I'm gonna do two lights on the outside. There's a roof rack. In case you guys are not familiar with the Runaways, I'll show you guys later. But there's a roof rack. I'm gonna mount two of them to that. Grab two outside lights from at night. And I think I'm gonna do the one inside rock light. And I'm probably gonna do two on the rear bumper for backup lights. And I have another set. I'm gonna do two on the bottom. Primo store stuff on the bottom. But stay tuned. I'm not sure how this video is gonna go, but I'm gonna do my best to show you guys the wiring process in which I'm taking to get this camper ready. Thanks for watching. Okay, got my wire loomed up to that point. Got my aux beam switch panel in. Still working on figuring out where to mount this big brick. I'm probably gonna mount it in here. I don't know yet. I'm still debating between the switch panel here, like I talked about, or the aux beam set. I'd rather use this just because it's fused, relayed, and I have the nice control panel right here. I don't know. I have an old computer power supply with this adapter I bought a while back, just for testing purposes. Light does work, as you can tell. It'll be pretty bright in here. Maybe. Okay, quick update on the wiring. I don't know if I said in the last clip, but I have my old computer power supply out here for the adapter running to the box. So now, flip the switch. I can turn the light on and off. I also have my other wire here ran. Unfortunately, I didn't get in the wire loom, but I zip tie it behind it best I can. Look, okay. This one's gonna go to the rock lights. They're gonna be on the outside, on the rack, like I talked about. This seems to be working pretty good so far. I still gotta figure out how to mount the box, but that's coming as it comes. But I'm slowly hanging the wire up, out of the way. I have to drill a hole through the top of the shelf there to bring the wires down. Got my TV all hung up here on a swivel mount. I don't think I really showed that before, but it's all up here. So it can be set flat while I'm traveling, or if I'll see out the door, or move it out and back. So I'll see it in the bed, or angle it however I want to angle it. I have these baskets from the big camper we had. I want to keep them up here. That one. I have one something in the middle. But yeah, I'm slowly getting this knocked out. Okay, been a few hours since I've last recorded. You see it's dark out now. But on the plus side, lights on. Makes it plenty bright inside of here for at night. Got the wiring ran around. Put a hole, the shelf right here. It goes down. Got a fuse block that's gonna go in there. So I'm gonna wire. I'm gonna go ahead and hook all these into, which is the powers, into the switch box right here. Go ahead and hook it up. I finished hooking it all up. I went ahead and hooked up, or not hooked up, yeah, it comes away on the fuse block. I got this right here, which shows voltage and amps for my battery, plus it's a USB. I got a little, one of those sealed batteries right there. I don't think it's any good, but it's currently free, as so I already had it, so we'll give it a try and go from there. But yeah, I do a little bit of cleaning. Let's finish running those wires and wait on the fuse block to come tonight. Okay, this is where I'm going to probably leave this video off for part 1. I got the fuse block in, all wired up. Got it wired to have the trickle charger plugged in to one side, the main positive and negative on it. The other side will have my battery. This sealed lead acid battery is gone. No good. It only reads 4 volts. So I'm gonna get another one. Then I got my switch box wired in on one side. I got the wiring going to my voltage gauge right there. I got my switch panel hooked up. So I just need to finish tightening up the wiring up there. Tighten up the wire in here, get a new battery, and hook up the trickle charger, then get rid of my other charger down here. Or not charger, but power supply down here.